I don't know. This is the combo series. I need to think about a combo. Okay, I have it. Yeah. Focus bodybuilding line. Ching. New footwork every day. And remember, you see, we do no excuses. And today combo, interesting combo. Cross one and tap five. Interesting. First, see for yourself. Then, practice together. No excuses. Let's go. Again. Yes, let's just move. Yes, let's do it. Are you ready? Let's go. Switching the camera. Yeah, let's go. Are you ready? We can start with the left or with the right, doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. Open, cross to the back, step to the back, and cross. Yeah. Now tap, step to the back, and step. Yeah. Now with the right. Open, step, and cross. Yeah. Tap, step, and step in place. No excuses. Together. Open, step to the back, and cross. Tap, ball, change. Notice on the balls of the feet. Yeah. With the right. Open, step to the back and cross, tap, step to the back and step in place. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Looking good. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Looking great. Together. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, open. 1, 2, 3, looking good. 5, 6, 7. Amazing. This is the move. This is the groove. Wait, you still here? Even more amazing. Let's practice again. Now face to face. I want to see you. Maybe you want to see me as well, but I don't know. But why do you care? Let's practice and get better. Practice is what makes you better. Yeah. Let's go face to face. We can start with the... Yeah. We can start with the left again. Let's go. Open with the left. Open. Step to the back. And cross. Down. Step to the back and step. With the right. Open. Push to the back. And cross. Down. Forward. Change. Yeah. With the count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With the line. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it from the side. Let's go. Open. Step to the back and cross. Down. Step. Step. Open. Just to the back and cross. Down. Step. Step. One more time. Open. Step. Cross. Down. Step. Step. Open. Step. Cross. Down. Step. Step. With the count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 6, 7. That's the move. That's the groove. So, if you're serious, yes, if you're the serious student and you want to practice with me this move or this breakdown, which is the combo was cross 1 and tap 5. But you can practice with me cross 1 and tap 5 separately if you want to master them. Are you willing to do that? To master these moves? If so, yeah, check the links above, below, to the sides. And if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for cross 1 and tap 5. Yeah, because this was today's combo. Yes, combo, combination. And either way, do the move today. Yes, do the move today. This universal move. Why universal? Because you can do it in any kind of dance. Yeah. Salsa, hip hop, bachata, kizomba, zumba, rumba, samba, samba. Hip hop. Did I say salsa? By the way, salsa on one and on two. Why? Because you can start with the right or with the left. Yeah. It is symmetrical. No matter where you look at it, it looks the same. Yeah. Either way, do it today. Yeah, do it today. Because tomorrow, you have a new footwork. New footwork every day. Focus for recording live. Ching. Yeah. So see you tomorrow with a new footwork.